Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering President Trump's announcement of over $90 billion in AI and energy infrastructure investments in Pennsylvania, Google, Blackstone, and CoreWeave's major commitments in the region. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg's pledge to spend hundreds of billions on massive AI data centers, the market reaction to these moves especially for Nvidia, AMD, and Supermicro Computer, and Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang's upcoming visit to Beijing for high-level meetings. President Trump was in Pittsburgh yesterday for the first-ever Pennsylvania Energy and Innovation Summit, which was hosted at Carnegie Mellon University and organized by Senator Dave McCormick. The event was designed to spotlight Pennsylvania as a national leader in both AI and energy innovation. In his remarks, President Trump announced more than $90 billion would be directed into AI and energy infrastructure across the state, marking one of the largest single-state technology investment packages on record. Trump described the day as a really triumphant day for the people of the Commonwealth and the United States of America. Among the headline deals, Google announced a $3 billion agreement with Brookfield Asset Management. This deal secures hydropower-generated electricity for Google's expanding data center footprint in Pennsylvania, a move that supports both sustainability and the massive energy requirements of modern AI models. Google also committed to investing $25 billion into regional data centers over the next 2 years, with Pennsylvania at the center of this expansion. This is significant not just in terms of infrastructure, but also jobs, with thousands of high-skill positions expected to be created. Blackstone, the global investment giant, followed that up with its own $25 billion commitment. This investment targets both AI data centers and the necessary energy infrastructure to power them. Blackstone's involvement reflects the scale and seriousness of the private sector's push into AI computing and Pennsylvania's role as a technology hub. Senator Dave McCormick highlighted the state's unique qualities, saying, "Harnessing Pennsylvania's unique strengths to attract new data center investment and energy infrastructure development will jumpstart Pennsylvania's economy, create great, new jobs, and bolster our national security." CoreWeave, a fast-growing AI cloud provider, joined the wave of announcements with plans to spend up to $6 billion on a new AI data facility in Pennsylvania. CoreWeave has been making headlines for rapid expansion and cutting-edge GPU cloud services. This new facility is expected to support a wide range of next-generation AI workloads and further cement Pennsylvania's status as a go-to location for advanced computing. These investments have immediate implications for the state's economic landscape, workforce, and technological capacity. The new data centers will require highly skilled personnel in engineering, data science, operations, and security, creating a spillover effect in local economies and supply chains. The focus on clean and renewable energy, such as Google's hydropower deal, also signals a strong emphasis on sustainable AI deployment, aligning with broader environmental goals. Switching gears to corporate strategy, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg made waves this week by announcing plans to invest hundreds of billions of dollars into developing superintelligence and building some of the world's largest AI data centers. The centerpiece of this effort is the Prometheus data center, which is scheduled to come online in 2026. Prometheus is designed as a next-generation facility to handle supercomputing-scale AI workloads. Meta's ambitions don't stop there. The company revealed plans for the Hyperion data center, which is designed to eventually scale up to 5 gigawatts. To put that in context, that's more power than some small countries consume. The goal is to build the infrastructure necessary to train and deploy models that go beyond current state-of-the-art, pushing towards artificial general intelligence. Zuckerberg hasn't shared detailed timelines for the full scale-out, but emphasized that Meta is all in on building the physical backbone of AI for the next decade. The market reaction to these announcements was immediate and dramatic, especially for companies at the core of the AI hardware ecosystem. Nvidia, which recently announced the resumption of AI chip sales to China, saw its stock jump 5%. Nvidia's chips are central to training and running advanced AI models, and renewed access to the Chinese market is a significant positive signal for future growth. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, also saw its shares rise by 8%, reflecting confidence in its competitive positioning in the high-performance computing space. Super Microcomputer, a key server and hardware provider, was up 5% as investors responded to the broader surge in AI infrastructure spending. All this investment and momentum has a global dimension as well. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is set for a high-profile media briefing in Beijing on July 16th. This marks his second trip to China this year, underlining the importance of the Chinese market for Nvidia. Last fiscal year, China accounted for $17 billion, or about 13% of Nvidia's total revenue. The trip comes amid ongoing U.S. government restrictions on exporting Nvidia's most advanced chips to China, with Washington concerned about their possible military applications. Despite the regulatory headwinds, Huang's visit reflects Nvidia's commitment to maintaining strong ties with Chinese customers and partners. On social media, the scale of these developments has triggered widespread reactions from both industry leaders and analysts. The general consensus is that the combined efforts of government, energy providers, and tech giants are setting the stage for a new era of AI-driven economic growth, with big implications for jobs, national security, and innovation. That's the latest on the major investments and strategic moves shaping the future of AI and energy. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.